I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Illustrator. Let's begin by familiarizing ourselves with the workspace. You'll find the toolbar on the left, the control panel at the top, and various panels on the right. To start a new project, go to File New and set your desired dimensions, perhaps 1920 by 1080 pixels for a web graphic. Then, use the shape tools to draw basic elements like a perfect circle by holding Shift. Now, let's dive into the heart of vector graphics, paths and shapes. The pen tool is incredibly powerful for creating custom, precise lines and curves. Click to create anchor points and drag to form Bezier curves, giving you full control over your lines. You can then use the Pathfinder panel to combine or subtract shapes, transforming simple elements into complex designs with just a few clicks. This allows for endless creative possibilities. Adding color and text brings your designs to life. Use the Swatches panel to apply solid colors or create custom gradients for depth. For text, select the Type tool, choose your font and size, and even place text along a curved path for dynamic layouts. Explore the Effects menu for stylistic changes like drop shadows or blurs. Remember, the Appearance panel lets you manage these effects non-destructively, offering flexibility to refine your visuals. Finally, let's talk about exporting your finished artwork. Go to File, Export As, and choose the appropriate format. For web, SVG or JPG are excellent choices, while PDF is ideal for print, ensuring high quality. Always organize your layers and name them clearly. This makes future edits much easier. Save your work often, perhaps every 10 minutes, to avoid losing progress. You've now got the foundational skills to create amazing vector art.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.